Hi, welcome back, it's Tasha. Today I'll be showing you how to create neutral marble French tips using regular polish. Okay, so here I've already applied the base coat. First, I'm going to create the French tips, and for me, the easiest way to do French tips is by using the nail polish brush and just move it along the nail line like so. I'm using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel's birthday suit, and honestly, this polish is quite sheer, meaning it's good for doing marble nails, but here I have mixed 3 drops of birthday suit and a drop of base coat or clear polish to make it more sheer. Next, draw lines, then dip your brush into acetone and blend the line outwards, and make sure to do it right away because we're working with regular polish, so it dries pretty quickly. I'm using the same technique as what I had used for my Amethyst and Rose Quartz nails. I'll be putting the link down below if you want to check it out. I can say that was my favorite nail design I've done so far. Next, apply another coat of the sheer polish. To create the marble effect, draw another random lines and blend them outwards as we did earlier. And then you want to apply another coat of the sheer polish. Finally, apply glossy top coat and let them dry. I wasn't happy with the French tip lines, especially on my middle and ring finger, so I added glitters along the line to cover it up. Here's the final look. Hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching.